Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a footer section in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add a footer section on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and as you see, there is no footer section in this website. So to add one, it's simple. Just click on this add section button. You will see this window pops up. Here, scroll down to footer, click on it. Select the footer section design you want to add. I will go with this one, click on it. This footer will be added to the bottom of all existing and new pages. You can always hide it on a particular page. You can select between adding the footer section only to this page or to all pages. I will go with add to all pages. And this is my new footer section. To edit it, it's simple. Just click on this edit section button. Here you can select between using a color, an image, or even a video as the background. I will keep it as color and I will select the section color from here. I will use this gray. Close this window. Here you can add elements like, for example, your website logo. Just click on this plus icon, then drag and drop this image element like that, then resize it to suit your website logo. I will delete this address, place this image here, then hit edit image, replace image. I don't have a website logo yet, so I will create it. Just quickly click on header, click on edit header, go to the logo tab, click on use AI to create a unique logo. Go with create yourself instead of create with AI. Here, fill in the logo text you want to use. Ben's tutorial. I will keep it Ben's tutorial. Here you can add a slogan, but I will not use a slogan. Here, select the text font. This is nice font. This one is also good, but you can edit or look for other fonts from this list. As you see, the selected font shows up here. Let's use this one. Click on download. It was downloaded in a compressed format, so I will decompress it. This is my logo. Now I can go back to the footer section. Click on this image, then click on edit image, replace, upload, and this is my logo. Double click it and hit select. I'm not sure. I think I need to reset image proportions. Yes. Go from the style tab, click on reset image proportions. And this, now my logo is added successfully. To edit those social links, just click on the social icons element. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. To edit those social links, just click on the social icons element, click on edit, and here click on this little wheel and select edit and add your social link. You can also reorder them like that, and you can delete a social icon if you don't use this platform. Same thing for this contact, just double click it, add your email here. For this email address element, you can delete it like that, and then add a new text element, and let's call it terms and conditions. Select the text with Control A or Command A, select paragraph, let's make it a little bit smaller like that, place it here, double click it, click on link, and here select your terms page. I think I still don't have a terms and conditions page, so I will create one quickly. Go to pages and navigation, click on add page. Now scroll down to terms and conditions, select this template, fill in your company name, Ben's tutorial, fill in your website name, Ben's. It's the same as this is my website address and email address. Click on add page. It was added successfully. I will add, first I will, to remove it from this navigation menu in the header, just drag and place it below hidden from navigation. Now let's create the other legal page. Scroll down to privacy policy, same thing, fill in your company name and your website name. Click on add page, same thing, place it, drag and move it below hidden from navigation. Don't forget to update your website. Now let's go back to the section, to the footer section. Double click your text, click on link and select the proper, let's look for it, terms, and this is it. Click on save, duplicate this text element and let's call it privacy policy. Same thing, select text, click on link and look for privacy policy page. This is it. Click on save and now update your website. Let's view my new section live. This is my section with this gray background, the logo, the social icons, the contact info, and also the legal pages. And as you see, this footer section is added to all different pages of my website. And this is how to add a footer section in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.